Good day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about anything is possible. I just had a 10-mile run. Felt like I needed to blow the pipes out a bit today. I had a great workout after this morning's session. Today we're talking about anything is possible. We had a market, we had day 3 parabolic moves in the London session. And when we came on board in the US window, I was filtering through the instruments just to see how everything had traded, looking for what potentially may be on tap for the US session. And gold had a huge move, an opening range breakout, a day 3 parabolic. And I was watching the last hour trading into the low, and it was creeping down into the low, watching the clock and just sort of watching how it opened up in the US window. And I decided to put a long position in the market. Nothing big, just a starter position, anticipating 3 levels of rise or some sort of move up before maybe having a low-hanging fruit opportunity, or maybe a 3rd-hour reversal that might set up after the New York Open. Not anticipating that market to go vertical, and before I knew it, it was up 75 pips, and into the end of the hour that market was coiling sideways, at which point I recognized, just looking at the other time frames, that this was indeed now potentially in a parabolic move. And I thought, well, we could still see this market maybe reverse when the 2nd hour opened, and it proceeded to break even higher into the new 100 pip box. And the 2nd hour opened and traded down into the double zeros, and then started to roll, and I added more positions into the market as we sort of were rounding into that second 15-minute candle prior to the New York Open. I went long again at the New York Open, and the market rocketed it up 100 pips. At this point, I again did not anticipate a parabolic reversal. It was not part of my thesis, but I was in the trade and recognizing that it was a gift. The market gave me a gift, and I was in that move. So traders, sometimes the market is going to give you a gift. I'm not going to suggest to traders that it was for everybody. It's not something that I talk about a lot, but there are pre-market opportunities. There are other trade setups. And we talked about this a bit yesterday, about when the markets get to extremes. We're at the low of the week, outside of the range, opening range breakout. And the timing window, 3 sessions, we will see opportunities where the markets can reverse and coil. And that coil into the New York Open, the end of the 1st hour and into the New York Open, was an explosive opportunity for me to add into an existing running bullish reversal parabolic trade. And that market exploded. And again, upon getting towards the end of that 2nd hour, taking money out and just recognizing, I would say, a lucky trade, but luck is the meeting of preparation and opportunity, and understanding how this market was reversing and trading, and how price was behaving. So taking the gift, I can't say much else other than that anything is possible, which also goes in the short direction, because I mean, if you're losing, you got to cut your loss, because that market could keep going if you're caught in a parabolic move. Paul Tudor Jones talks about being caught long in a range expansion to the downside, where the market continued to open up, limit down, and almost completely destroyed him, at which point he managed to trade his way out of it. But anything is possible, meaning that if you're in a winner, add to a winner. If it's a strong parabolic opportunity like that, that trade may run all day. I have no idea, but it was a gift. I take the money, shut it down. Don't want to give anything back, especially after a gift like that. Get on with your day. Needed to go out and have a long run after that. I think I will give thanks to the great creator today and get on with my day. Beautiful morning here in Canada, and keep it simple, traders. 1% better every single day. Sometimes a small trade can turn into a monster. Have a great day, traders, and may the markets go with you.